some mathematics. In this video, we are to solve the equation below where the value of x ranges from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. So let's see how we are going to do this. This is neither trigonometric equation or indicial equation. It's a combination of the two. So we must be very careful how we do this. So from trig identities, we know that sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So we can find sine squared x in terms of cos squared x. So sine squared x will be equal to 1 minus cos squared. So we write this expression as, and then before we cos squared x will also be equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So we can use any of these, but let's use the second one. So the whole equation becomes 9 to the power sine squared x plus 9 to the power, instead of cos squared x, we can write 1 minus sine squared x, which is equal to 6. Again, we can make substitution. Say, let y be equal to sine squared x. If that is the case, then we have this equation 9 to the power y plus 9 raised to the power 1 minus y is equal to 6. So we can expand further. Y raised to the power y plus 9 to the power 1 indices times 9 to the power minus y, which is equal to 6. And from indices, a raised to the power minus m is the same as 1 over a raised to the power m. So this equation becomes 9 to the power y plus 9 over 9 to the power y is equal to 6. Let's clear the fraction, so let's multiply it through by 9 to the power y. So we have 9 raised to the power y times 9 raised to the power y plus, here it will cancel out, so we have 9, which is equal to 6 times 9 to the power y. And according to indices, a to the power m times a to the power n, then you add the exponent. So you have a m plus n. So in the same way, we are going to have 9 to y plus y is 2y raised to the power 2y plus minus, let's bring this one to this side. 6 times 9 raised to the power y plus 9 is equal to 0. Again, we can make substitution. But before that, we can rewrite this one as 9 raised to the power y all squared minus 6 times 9 to the power y plus 9 is equal to 0. So let k be equal to 9 to the power y. So we are going to have k squared minus 6k plus 9 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So when we factorize, we are going to get k minus 3k plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have k, this is k squared, 3k in one bracket minus 3k minus 9 in another bracket. So here we have k into bracket k minus 3 minus 3k minus 3 equal to 0. So in that case, we have k minus 3 times k minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a perfect square. So k minus 3 squared is equal to 0. You get the same thing. Now to find k, let's take the square root on both sides. So k minus 3 is equal to 0. So k will be equal to 3. Now we were not asked to find k, but x. Let's go back. We said that k should be equal to 9 to the power y. So this implies that 3 is equal to 9 to the power y. Now we can express 3 in terms of, can express 9 in terms of 3. So we have 3 which is equal to 3 raised to the power 2y. According to indices, if the bases are the same, then we equate the powers. So this implies that 2y is equal to 1. Divide both sides by 2. So we have y is equal to 1 on 2. Once again, we were not asked to find y, but s. So we said that y should be equal to sine squared x. So this implies that sine squared x is equal to 1 over 2, since y is 1 over 2. And this is the same as sine x all squared. So to find x, we take the square root on both sides. So sine x be equal to square root of 1 over 2. So sine x be equal to 1 over root 2. If you want to find x, we take sine inverse on both sides. So x will be sine inverse of 1 over, and sine inverse of 1 over root 2 is 45. So 45 degrees. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for staying throughout with me. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.